In this video, I'm going to show you how to send DocuSign to multiple signers. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to DocuSign.com. From here, sign into your account or create a new account. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be taken to a page that looks similar to this. Now, this is where we can get started. So under Get Started, go ahead and click on that Start button, Sign or Get Signatures. Now from here, we want to go ahead and upload that document for it to be signed by multiple signers. So it will say drag your files here, or you can simply upload them from your computer. Now below that, it's going to say add recipients. So click on the drop down menu, and now this is where we can add all the multiple signers. So put in their name, email, and make sure it's checked needs to sign, and we can also customize this. We can add an access code so that only you and the recipient knows, or add a private message if you like to. Now you can add as many as you like, so add another recipient, etc, etc. We can also add a message and choose the envelope type. So if this is a sales contract, put a sales contract, and now click next. Now once you've done that, you're going to be taken to the next page like this. So we've got the signatures here, and here we can also add a signature field if we like that there, and also initials under that. We can add some dates signed as well, and then go ahead and hit send, and that's going to send to all those multiple signers that you've created in the previous page to this.